In this experiment, we will show that solids, liquids, and gases expand on heating. To show that solids expand on heating, the material required is 2 blocks of wood, a copper rod, a spirit lamp, and a pencil. We will set up the apparatus as shown in this figure. Using 2 wooden blocks, we will place the copper rod like this, and we will heat the copper rod from the middle. One end of the copper rod is fixed, whereas the other end of the copper rod is placed on a pencil which has a pointer attached to it. When we heat the copper rod, we will observe that the pointer on the pencil will turn like this, showing that copper rod expanded on heating, due to which the pencil rolled and the pointer changed its direction.
To show that solids expand on heating, we have taken 2 wooden blocks and we have used a copper rod. The copper rod is fixed on one of the wooden blocks in such a way that it cannot move from here, whereas the other end of the copper rod has a pencil placed underneath it. We have attached a pointer to the pencil to show the change in the direction, showing that the copper rod is expanding when it is being heated. We have used a spirit lamp here. So we are heating the copper rod. After some time, you will observe that the direction of this pointer has changed, showing that the copper rod has expanded as we are heating it. After 5 minutes of heating, you can see that this pointer has changed its direction, showing that the pencil has rolled and the copper rod has expanded.
To show that liquids expand on heating, the material required is a test tube, a delivery tube, cork, water, and a spirit lamp. To perform this experiment, fill the test tube with water up to the brim and then put a cork in it which has a single hole. Through that hole, insert a delivery tube and then heat the test tube. You will find that the level of water in the delivery tube will increase, showing that when we heated the water, it expanded, due to which the level of water in the delivery tube increased. Let us now show that gases also expand on heating. The material required for this purpose is a test tube, cork, delivery tube, some colored water, and a spirit lamp. We have taken an empty test tube, that means this test tube has air in it, and using a cork, we have inserted a delivery tube in this test tube, and you can see one colored drop in the delivery tube. So we had placed this single drop of colored water in the delivery tube before fixing it with the cork. When we heat this test tube, we find that the colored drop starts moving upwards. This shows that as we heated the test tube, the air in the test tube expanded, due to which the colored drop was pushed outside. This shows that gases also expand on heating.